In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections and pages in Microsoft OneNote. Understanding how to properly structure your notebook is essential for staying organized, whether you're managing school notes, work projects, or personal ideas. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook where you want to add your content. Make sure everything is fully loaded so you can access all the features without any issues. Once you're inside your notebook, take a look at the top area where your section tabs are displayed. These tabs act like dividers, helping you separate different topics or categories. To add a new section, click on the plus icon located next to your existing section tabs. As soon as you click it, a new section will appear and you'll be prompted to name it. Type a clear and descriptive name that reflects the purpose of that section, such as meeting notes, projects, or ideas. Press Enter to confirm, and your new section is ready to use. Now that you have a section, it's time to add pages within it. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Page panel where all your notes are listed. To create a new page, click the Add Page button. A fresh page will appear instantly, allowing you to start typing your notes right away. Just like sections, it's important to give your pages meaningful titles so you can easily find them later. As you continue working, you can create multiple pages under each section to organize your content further. For example, within a project section, you might have separate pages for each project. This structure keeps everything neat and prevents your notebook from becoming cluttered. You can also rearrange your sections and pages by clicking and dragging them into your preferred order. This flexibility allows you to adapt your notebook structure as your needs change over time. Keeping your sections and pages well organized will make it much easier to navigate your notes and stay productive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add sections and pages in Microsoft OneNote, giving you a solid foundation for organizing your notes effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.